Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the YouTube application on your Amazon Fire Stick. Now, if you don't already have this installed, what you want to do is go on over to the App Store on the Fire Stick. So you can go to Home, and then go on over to Find, and you can go to App Store under here, and you can find YouTube under the applications list. But typically, I'll just go to Search, and then type in YouTube right here. And by the time you type in you, it should be auto-populated underneath. So let's just go to UO, then you, and then going down. And here's the YouTube application right here. Go ahead and get this onto your Amazon Fire Stick. You can simply select it and then install it. Now, once I have it installed, I like adding it to my favorites list right here. So if I go over to my icon right next to setting and then go on down to my apps, I can move this to the top bar here by going to the app. You just have to find it under here, and it may be kind of difficult to find, but press the button with the 3 lines on it, and then go to move to front, and then press it again and go to move, and you can move it around this menu right here. So you can always find it on the home screen here. So if you don't have it, just search for it via the voice icon, and you should be good to go. Just say like YouTube application, and it should bring it up. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.